Man, this has to be the probably one of the most dependable mowers I've um I've owned. And I've had it, I guess, about 3 or 4 years now. And I know now that I'm saying this and making this video what's gonna happen, but it's all right. It doesn't owe me anything. It's been very good to me. I don't think anything's ever been broke on it. I can't remember. Maybe an adjustment or two, but and normally, and set it there. This has never worked, but still no problem. It'll pull you, and normally it's all it takes is about 1 or 2 pulls. There we go. I normally love these personal pace, but after a while, the transmissions will give you problems. But they're great. All right. Take care, guys.